Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need to move fast. First, request your data export in settings so photos and messages are saved. Once the archive starts, make sure you know the exact password and can access the registered email. Now, open a browser. The deletion flow won't complete inside the app, and log in to the official Delete Your Account page. This begins the one true deletion path. Do these prerequisites and sign in before continuing to the confirmation steps. Once done, select a reason for leaving from the drop-down. This unlocks the delete button. Make sure to retype your password accurately. Instagram requires fresh authentication for account removal. After you click delete, understand the platform gives a 30-day grace period during which the account is deactivated, but not gone. Avoid logging back in if you want the deletion to proceed. Also, uninstall the mobile app and remove saved logins from password managers. To finish, uninstall Instagram, clear saved sessions, and erase cookies so you won't accidentally log back in. The deletion completes after 30 days. If you change your mind within that window, logging in cancels deletion, so make sure you truly want it gone. If something goes wrong, for example, you can't access the account to start deletion, use forgot password, the linked Facebook recovery, or Instagram's account recovery flow to regain access before trying again. This resolves most access issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.